Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you a few drills you could do alone, okay, to improve your handball game. So, let's go. Simple, just throw in the ball. So you keep your feet together, take a step, and throw. Step, and throw. After you take a step, I want you to turn your hips a little to transfer the power from your back foot to your front foot. Do this to warm up your shoulder. You do your right hand. Next, I want you to work on your underhand swing. So, same thing, take a step, drop the ball, hit it. Stiff hand to the ball, as low as you can. Also, when hitting the ball, I want you to follow through with your arm. When swinging, I want you to swing with force. The right hand and the left. If you're having a hard time hitting with your left, I want you to turn back and do it one more time with your right. And you turn and you repeat the same motion. Step, throw, hit. It's a great exercise. Is you're going to throw the ball and then overhand, hit it as low as you can. This is to teach yourself to attack the ball. There you go. Throw it, step, miss. Same thing with your left hand. Good job, guys. We're gonna hit the ball over the short line. This helps a lot with your footwork because you have enough time to prepare yourself for the next shot. Plus, it helps all your drive shots. So pick a number on how many times you could do it, depending on your level. Yeah, so let's go. And then you could do the same thing with your opposite hand. So in my case, it's my left. A little harder with the left. And if you're looking to make this exercise a little harder, you can take a tennis ball and do the same thing with a tennis ball. So I'm pretty sure you guys know a lot of top handball players do this exercise. Incredible for your shoulder, for your power, and just in general. If you want to suffer a little bit, this is the exercise. This. You could start off with a few times. Important thing not to die. And the last thing that I recommend is practicing your serve. Something that could save you a lot of energy. And just switch it up. Having a lot of serves in your pocket will definitely bring your game to the next level. So I would pick one serve, two serves, and do 25 each. Again, you only count the ones that are good, okay? So I'm gonna go do mine. So thank you for hanging out with me. Hope your game is improving. I believe that you can grow every day. Stay positive, stay strong, and train. Bye, guys.